In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time choose Autofill with Google here. Now click on Google Password Manager, and to add any password tap on Add Password. If you can't, like I can't, that means that you never added a password before and you need at least one to add them manually from here. To fix it, hit Settings on the left. Make sure this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is blue, and go back here. Leave Settings opened in the background and log in into any website or app that requires an account, like Facebook. Enter all of those informations, hit Login and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, choose Save at the bottom right corner and go back to Devices Settings. Choose Google Password Manager again, and this time tap on Add Password. Now input all of those informations. At the top type in any website, or choose Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!